Masuk pa sa butas. Tama ba? Tama, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sabi na, dagdagan yung tubig sa ba? Tubig department.
Tubig department.
Okay.
Na, pasok na.
Yan, lalagyan na lang.
Yan na.
So, hawak mo muna yan. Sabitin ka, ha? Huwag mo gagalawin dyan. Then are you going to put this?
30 degrees.
30 degrees. About the other side, 30 degrees also. These are the adjustment of the horizontal condylar, which is the black one. When you would want to adjust the lateral trousseau, this is the adjustment of this. Actually, it adjusted the orange one inside. And 0. Put this just simply at 0. Then, before you go into this cementation, mounting of the upper, remove the incisal pin first. Okay. And then remove the nation relator. Saan yung pinagpasukan nito? Ano? O yun. Yun siya sabi natin. Kaya, rotate it. Right? Ang hirap niyang tanggal eh. Pagka doon ang mga ano yung kasama. And then while you are doing this, you now and then look at your face. There are many bandits here. Would probably are missing some component, no? Mga nawawala na klinisya, nawawala ng component. Sa Tagalog, mga tulisan.
Bandits.
Nawawa naman kayo. Pag nawalan kayo niyan, you cannot buy any part of this according to the
Pinapasok ko lang yun.
oh. Assistant, ipit mo, parang katulad sa tenga. Secure mo. Ito, hold it in place. Susok mo maigi. Pagka solution ito, then everything is lost. Lagi everything is lost. Kasi tatighten na natin dito.
Go!
Okay? Just like how you do it in the base. Tapos meron itong component dito. Yun yung trabaho niya. Talagang bagong-bago. Ayaw kong gamitin. Ito yan. Para pa ganon. Okay?
Wow! Pala yun.
Yun lang yun. Yun yung arte nun. Okay? So, be sure that this is resting on the crossbar when you cemented this. Right? When you cement this. Okay? Okay. Where's the, camel hair brush? Camel hair brush.
Where's the brush? Sable hair brush.
Camel hair brush. Hindi na color guard.
Brush daw,
This is to ensure that there will be no bubbles. We cannot occupy this one if we're not going to do this. Last na ba is? Brush.
Color gold.
So you put everything, ha? Don't treasure it, put everything in a CD, ha? Sino ba magaling sa computer dito?
Jerome. Jerome po.
Copy of this, ha? Jerome.
Jerome, ha?
Includes the video. Okay?
Nice one, Jerome. Nice, Jay. Nice.
Then give a copy. Complement of section na nalagay mo. Cheche mo na cheche. Yan. Siguro, pagka binilog mo yan, the size of a golf ball na yan, di ba? Then,
Water.
then you use the reliable tensiometer in mixing your parang di po sila.
Tensiometer.
Kamacho, ganyan ang hawak, ha? Pagka medyo wala nga na, hindi macho, ganyan ang hawak, ha? Kaya alam niyo na. Alam niyo na kung ano, kung kasarian. Hawak lang. Diba, pag macho, tingin na ng sapatos, ganyan. Pag ganyan, ako, delikado na. Okay, ito yun. Pag may dumi ang sapatos, paano tumingin, di ba? Sa tingin lang, malalaman mo na kung anong kasarian. Kung member ng federasyon, kulay verde ang dugo. Ito yan. Yan, right?
Wala pala ng brush.
Ano ba naglagay ng tubig dito? Ba't ang dami? Hindi pa tayo nag-umpisa, biting ka na. Ilalagyan lang natin. Kasi in my practice, yan ang hindi naabot eh. Kaya nga sabi sa inyo, product of 20 years na itong napapanood nyo eh. Lahat ng error na naranasan ko, nabigyan ko na ng sagot. Ayan. Pag nilagyan mo yan, merong mga vacuum doon, may air, natatrap. Hindi siya inaabot. Nakuha nyo? Eh, inunahan natin, kaya 100%, pasok yan.
Pasok daw yan.
Pasok! Pasok yan.
Ang kawala.
Ayan, pag nagkaroon na niya, ito, lagay ka agad dito. Bisa pag nakakalita, manilig yung simento, sira ito, sayang. Wawa naman. Ito yan, pinag-aralan na yan. So, ayun, yun na hindi natin nagawa. Dapat meron ditong support dito. Right? Yan sinasabi natin. Ayan.
Ayun na.
Kanino yan?
Sakto. Pero lang yan.
Ayan, ganyan ha. O, kasama sa picture yan. Lagyan ng picture. Ipaliliwanag sa future generation yan eh.
Tatlong iPhone.
Yan ang nakikita sa mga tatangat-tangat person na nakikita nyo ngayon. Na kayo yun noon. Kayo yun noon, ano? Ito, don't bother to make it, ano, medyo thick ng ganyan. Kanina kasi sa section, ano, naglalaway. Kaya nahulog na ng ano, ganyan.
Ang galing mag-tansyo.
Yung kunin yung lahat ng ganyan. At doon, kung talaga matipid ang nanay nyo, naghihirap na. Ayan, tapos ito, ayan. Baka meron pa dyan. Okay, okay, ayan ha. Okay, bigla ha. Ayan, kanina natatapo ito, hindi. Ice cream na kasi. Okay? Now class, the thicker your cement are, it is more subjected to expansion, right? Kaya sabi ng libro, you can leave it like that, the cast fixation tower, like this. When this will set, then you can be sure that there will be no movement anymore. They have connected the articulator with the cast. Then that is the time you can completely fill it up without danger of having expansion anymore because there is already an initial cement which has already connected these two sides, especially in the lower. Nakuha niya idea?
Yes, sir.
Pero for the upper, it is not much of a problem because anyway, you can see the contact. Kaya the owner of this, who's the owner?
Rossi.
You can mix the cement and start making this beautiful already. Right? At the back, going there. Okay? So it's your turn. Now, the rest of you, you'll be very lucky if you will be able to do this already because you will be ahead of the other section. They were not able to do this in their
Isang oras pa, kaya yan.
Dami pa. Ayan. Oh, sabayan nyo na. Once you have reached this point, I will be calling on you for the continuation. But Mr. Owner, cement this part of your big chain of gas. And then, kasi hintayin natin mag-set ito. And then later, I'll call you on how to proceed to the next step. Right?
Wallet pa sa
Ano mo na? Cement mo.